He's a little puppy. Oh, that's such a cute dog. Don't you do it. I'm getting stuck in the back. I don't know how I got stuck in the back. Ooh, shawty over there looking thick. That was definitely on us. Oh well, you know, sometimes it'd be like that. Sometimes it'd be like that. He's a bad influence. I wasn't gonna do all that. He's a bad influence. He's in the bike lane, bruh. Like, I don't even know if that's made for, is that made for motorcycles? Like, are we supposed to be cruising right here? Whoa! We got our own lane and it's ending.